Welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can lock a photo album on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Photos app. Then head over to any album that you want. So let's say this is the album that I want to delete or lock. So what I do here is I select all of these photos. So you can select all of these photos or you can select the entire album as well. So long press on those photos or album and you should see this share photos option. So simply tap on share photos. After you tap on share photos, you'll get an option to share it to your notes. Tap on your notes option. After you tap on your notes option, you'll see you can save it to your new note. You can add anything that you want to your note as well. Now tap on the save button. After you do that, you can then delete this entire album. You can delete the photos inside it as well. And after you've done that, head over to your notes. So head over to the saved photo notes and you should find all those photos on your notes. So now to simply lock this, you'll need to tap on the three dots on the top right corner and there you'll see the lock option. Tap on it and there you have just locked it. So lock it using a passcode. Let me do that and you can enable Face ID for this as well. And this is basically how you lock a photo album on iPhone. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.